Blackheads and whiteheads are common skin concerns that can affect people of all ages. They occur when hair follicles become clogged with dead skin cells, oil, sebum, and bacteria. While these blemishes may seem daunting, there are several safe and effective home remedies to help you get rid of them without causing damage to your skin. This video will guide you through a comprehensive list of natural methods and preventive measures to tackle blackheads and whiteheads at home. Regular cleansing. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to prevent and treat blackheads and whiteheads is through regular cleansing. Wash your face twice daily with a mild cleanser that suits your skin type. This practice helps to remove excess oil, dirt, and impurities that can clog your pores and lead to blemishes. Exfoliation. Exfoliation is a crucial step in your skincare routine to remove dead skin cells that can contribute to blackheads and whiteheads formation. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub or a chemical exfoliant containing alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs, once or twice a week. However, avoid over-exfoliating, as it may cause irritation and worsen the problem. Steam treatment. Steam treatment is an excellent way to open up your pores and make it easier to remove blackheads and whiteheads. Boil water and pour it into a bowl. Position your face above the bowl and drape a towel over your head to trap the steam. Steam for 5 to 10 minutes. Then follow with gentle extraction using a comedone extractor tool. Be cautious and avoid applying too much pressure to prevent skin damage. Honey and cinnamon mask. Honey and cinnamon possess natural antibacterial properties, making them a potent combination for combating blackheads and whiteheads. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to form a paste. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Baking soda paste. Baking soda is an excellent exfoliant that can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Create a paste by mixing 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of water. Gently massage the paste onto your face in a circular motion, then rinse thoroughly with water. Lemon juice toner. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which can help remove excess oil and dead skin cells while brightening the skin. Dilute fresh lemon juice with equal parts of water and apply it to your face using a cotton ball as a toner. However, be cautious as lemon juice can be irritating to some skin types, so a patch test is recommended before regular use. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and redness associated with blackheads and whiteheads. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to the affected areas and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Tea tree oil spot treatment. Tea tree oil is well known for its antimicrobial properties, making it an effective spot treatment for blackheads and whiteheads. Dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply a small amount to individual blemishes. Avoid applying it to the entire face, as it may cause dryness and irritation. Clay masks. Clay masks, particularly those with kaolin or bentonite clay, can draw out impurities and excess oil from the pores, making them an excellent option for treating blackheads and whiteheads. Apply the mask to your face, let it dry, and then rinse it off with warm water. Green tea toner. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation and control oil production. Brew some green tea, let it cool, and use it as a toner by applying it to your face with a cotton ball. Preventive measures. In addition to these home remedies, adopting some preventive measures can significantly reduce the occurrence of blackheads and whiteheads. Keep your hands off your face to prevent the transfer of dirt and bacteria. Avoid using heavy or greasy cosmetics that can clog your pores. Always remove makeup before going to bed. Wash your pillowcases and sheets regularly to prevent the buildup of oil and bacteria. Choose non-comedogenic skincare and makeup products. Maintain a balanced diet and drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. Conclusion: treating blackheads and whiteheads at home is possible with these natural remedies and preventive measures. Remember that consistency is key, and results may vary depending on your skin type and the severity of the condition. If you have sensitive skin or persistent skin issues, it is best to consult a dermatologist for personalized advice and professional treatment options. Embrace a healthy skincare routine, and you'll be on your way to achieving clearer, smoother, and healthier looking skin. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.